Adding workshops. Workshops have to be added to a group, obviously, and there will be subcategories which you've added to your subcategories for each group. Add the name of the workshop. Add an image for the workshop. Add a short, snappy motto. Add a description for the workshop. Just for the sake of demonstration, obviously everything that has been added to the system can be deleted and you can start over with your own information. Add equipment. Add the price, the date, the time, and the duration. Add the amount of discount and the discount criteria. You have a 10% discount for subscription holders. Add the information and see that the information has actually been added to a solo workshop now exists, and you can see what you've added to the system.